Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm G, and today I'm going to be telling you all of my holy grail items that I like to get from Sephora that you should get for this year's VIB sale so that you can get them on sale. So before I start, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, and when I get there, I'm doing a cute little giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. So click the button below. It's free. It helps me out. I make beauty, lifestyle, luxury, fashion type content. If that is your thing, then you will love it here. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. But let's jump into the video. So this year, Sephora's VIB sale has started. I'm a little late. I did my video last year and a lot of people like this. So I was like, let me just do one again for the girls who don't know what to get or who are maybe not even VIB members. It's free, so before you even like do anything, you need to sign up for that. I think you just put in your phone number or your email, and every time you shop you get points. So you start off as a beauty insider, and then you become a very important beauty, I don't know, it's VIB. And then after VIB is VIB Rouge. So there are like different types of rewards that you get for each level. I know like some of them you get, well, all of them you get a free birthday gift. Some of them you get free shipping and like things like that, and you accumulate points. It's a free reward system that is awesome if you love makeup and beauty products. Rouge members, VIB Rouge, get 20% off, and VIBs get 15% off, and beauty insiders get 10% off. So yeah, sign up for that before you even watch this video. Without further ado, these are my holy grail top 5 items that I recommend from Sephora, and you should get them now because they're on sale. So the first item I have is Vanilla Woods. This fragrance is so good. I've raved about this in like a few of my videos, but it is exclusively at Sephora. I think it's by the 7 Virtues. I think on their website you can buy it, but other than that, it's Sephora. So this has vanilla essential oil. Maybe I'll have the notes on the screen, but it just smells like grown and sexy vanilla, basically. Like, it's sweet, it's warm, it smells delicious. It's like, this is everything. If you like sweet fragrances, you will love this. And even if you don't, I think you should still try it because it's just so, like, I don't even know how to explain it. And like on the bottle, I'm looking through it, it says that it's best for alleviating stress, calming, soothing the overworked. So like I said, it does have essential oils in it, so it's not like really perfumey, and it lasts a while as well. So it doesn't like make your head hurt or anything like that. It just smells really, really good, and I highly recommend this. And I think this size bottle may be like $80 something, so definitely get it while you can get some percent off. Like, why not? Next item that I loved since I tried it, or you already see, is this Fenty Skin whipped oil buttercream butter drop. It has like a long name, but this, look at it, it's basically gone. It's so good. If you have dry skin, it just soaks up all of the moisture. It's like a lotion with a body oil in it. Like, it's so I cannot even explain how good this is. I even have the travel size. Like, that is how good this is, and it's not cheap. So definitely, if you want to try this, get it now. Like, oh my god. And then the best thing about it is you can buy refills, so you don't have to buy this like all over again. You can buy a refill for a discounted price. And it kind of, I don't want to show you because I don't want to pop it open, but it pops open and you just put the refill in. This is just so good, especially right now when it's kind of like cooler out. I know I have dry skin, so my skin gets super dry right now, but this has been quenching my skin, literally quenching it. I cannot, like, and I haven't even tried her other Fenty Skin products, but this just made me want to dive in. So I would love to try the rest because this is so good. My next holy grail item, I think all of these items I've done like videos about, but they're just so good that I have to tell you again, and then you're going to get them for a discount, so why not? So my next holy grail item is this Mercier translucent honey. Oh my god, this is like game changer if you are like not fair skin, basically, because the original Mercier translucent powder is kind of, matter of fact, let me show you. So as you can, I don't even know if you can see, but this is much lighter than this. So this has like a tint of yellow in it, and this one is more like just straight translucent, and it's lighter. This one is not bad, but this one is just better. Like, I have it on right now. It just blends so well with like my complexion or darker, or even if you're a little lighter. It's like what Laura Mercier was missing. Like, this was so needed. And I have this baby size. I think this might be like the travel, but I definitely, do they even make it in this size? I don't know if they make it in this size, but if they do, I need to invest, because this just really does it for me. It does it for me. It is so good, and I don't even reach for the regular translucent anymore. And I did do a review on this as well, so if you want to see how it performs and what it looks like and everything, you can watch that video. I might have it up here somewhere, or just like search on my channel. But yeah, this is so good. Holy grail. Holy grail. And it is not cheap. I think even this size might have been like 20 something dollars, and this is tiny. So definitely get it now while you can get it on sale. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. And while we are on translucent powders, I apply mine with, ta-da! It's dirty because I just used it, but this is an original beauty blender. Like, I know there are so many dupes out, but this, baby, you cannot beat the original. Like, this thing is just so good. It's so soft. It's so sturdy. I like the black out of all of the colors. I think this is the pro one. They're all the same price. They're $20, which is crazy for a little sponge. So I understand why people want alternatives, and I even have used alternatives, but I keep going back to the original. It's something about this that is just better. It's just better. Trust me, it's better. Please try it if you've been using any other sponge. And like I said, it's $20, which is ridiculous for a sponge. So get it now while you can get some coins off. So definitely, this is a staple. I put my foundation on with this. I put my translucent powder on with this. I blend it out with this. I put my concealer on with this. This is my everything. Everything. It makes everything just go on super smooth. I would say that it shears your foundation a little bit, but to me, that is what makes it look more real and skin-like. Brushes are for more of full coverage, and I don't really need full coverage, so I like to use this because it makes my skin look like skin, basically. So please try the original beauty blender if you have not. You will not be disappointed. Trust me, you will throw your old sponge in the trash. Yes, honestly. And last but not least, it's Holy Grail. Ever since I bought it, I have it on right now. Well, you probably can't even tell, but it is this Kaja gloss shot, and I think this is a new brand to Sephora, and the color is milk tea. It's so pretty, and it's so long lasting. It's like a kind of pale pink, and it's just like, gloss is in to me. I don't even wear lipstick anymore. Gloss is in. So this is like my best friend. It's probably about a quarter left of it, so I need to re-up in this VIP sale. But yes, it's probably, I think it's $16, so it's not cheap, but it's not super expensive. But this baby is everything. I love this. Love this lip gloss. Holy grail for sure. So like I said, get these items while they are discounted, while you can get some money off. You will not be disappointed. Let me know in the comments if you try any of my recommendations. Also to know, all fragrances are good buys right now because most fragrances are pretty expensive. So if you can get them for a discount, the more the merrier. Also, beauty tools. So Sephora has some beauty tools that are maybe $100 or more. You want to get those now as well. And even like luxury candles, stuff like that, I would recommend that at this time of year. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to share it, comment, like it, whatever. Do your thing. Let me know in the comments what you would buy or what you have bought. Don't forget to sign up to be a VIB member. That is the only way that you can get the discount, and it is going on until, yes, so wow. Okay, so the sale is going on until November 15th, which is a few days from now. So if you have not gotten your items, get your items quick. So yes, that is the tea on Sephora's VIB sale. Happy shopping. Enjoy your items. Thanks for watching.